What's up, this is Chris from The Longest Way. It's May 10th, 2018, and I'm walking next to the highway on a stretch of unfinished road, which I'm very thankful for because traffic is awful as ever. And I'm struggling a little bit with my allergies here. Taking some medication makes me tired, but yeah, I guess there's a price for everything. You don't get allergic in the desert, but then in the desert you don't have any trees to hang your hammock, right? Sometimes people drive here, but it's not open to traffic, but they don't care. And someone is burning something over there. And the reason I picked this spot for the 360 degree video is because the clouds are so nice. The clouds, they keep me company from China to here. Oh, and there's a blue bird. Oh man. I hope you can see it. I'm gonna go closer, but it's probably gonna fly away. It's so beautiful. That bird. Damn it! Shit, you can't see it. It's flying over there now. And it decided to sit on the wire. Man, you arrogant little bird. Alright, so if you enjoy the video, go on my blog. It's called thelongestway.com. I post every day. Or share the video. I'm Chris from The Longest Way. That is an arrogant bird. Man, peace.